So in order to manage out your photos and add in metadata and other things to it, you use the library module. And so far in the previous videos, we have covered the library module. So do take a look at them if you want to learn more about it. So now the other module that we have is the develop module. And if I were to go around onto the develop module now, then what I can do is I can go ahead and select an individual picture and start editing it. So over here, you can see that I have selected this photo or this photo. So out of the thumbnails that you see right here, you got the photo right here. On the left hand side, you see that the folder is gone now. In order to access our folder from the library, you need to go around over here and select the different folder as you like. And as for the folder, you'll see the thumbnails over here, and then you can go back to develop module and click to access these out. So let's just go around over here onto let's say, for example, develop module right here. And here what you can do is you can select out a photo as you want. So now over here, you can see that there's different sort of presets that you can use right here. Like, let's say, for example, there's like these sort of presets that you can use as well. And over here on the right hand side, you can see that you got different elements, like you got tone curves as well, as you can see. So there are different editing options right here, which lets you change the overall look of the photo as you like. And this is how develop module is. So you can go ahead and change out the look, as you can see right here. And this is what we're going to explore as we go along. So over here in the develop module, you can see that you got the histogram over here on the top. You got the editing tools right here and all of the other details right here, just like this. Apart from that, over here on the left hand side, you got presets and everything else as well that you can go ahead and then you can utilize copy and paste method right here as well. You can see the reference view right here. So you can see the reference view around over here as well, just like this, for before and after and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is the develop module, and this is what we're going to focus on here onwards in the upcoming videos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.